We had a really great night, but I have one more surprise for you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Next Valentine's Day, you'll be meeting my friends and family.
Whatever you say.
Hey, Lonely.
Hi, guys.
So what'd y'all do this weekend?
I mean, I got with Zara. That's pretty much it.
You and Zara again. More like you and Lonely. We have an issue.
That's her.
Dude, if I wanted to see you pretend to be in a relationship, I'd just watch you with that hottie and Kim.
Yeah, our fish lips and map.
Whatever, man. She's super cute, though, isn't she?
Dude, seriously, there's no one there.
Whatever, guys. I gotta hit some class. See you later.
He's just crazy, dude.
I was in a mental hospital.
I know.
Jacob, you finally got the money you owe me?
You owe me money.
You know Daddy and Mommy aren't here, little boy.
I'm not little anymore.
Oh, Jacob, why did you do that?
Don't ever treat me like a child again.
What is that?
It's just me and Zara.
Bro, there's nobody here.
She's right there. For the love of God, why is everyone treating me like this today? I know I have a girlfriend for once, but come on.
Are you okay, bro?
You have never been loved.
Bro, chill out.
Zara loves me.
Chill.
I wish it could always be like this.
I know. Well, why can't it be? I'd do anything for you.
You don't have to do anything for me.
Everyone thinks I'm crazy.
That's because you are. Crazy with love.
I love you, Zara.
I love you too.
Hey, how's it hanging, beautiful? You want to meet again soon? Of course. Does after school work for you? Before you go, I thought about what you said last night. Maybe it is best if we're not always together so we can enjoy the time we're together so much more. I don't care if they think I'm crazy. I want to believe you're real. Oh, hey man. What's up?
Not much, but listen, man, we gotta talk.
Alright, about what? What's going on?
Your brother sent me these photos last night. He said he heard you sneaking out, so he followed you and found you sitting on the park bench. Alone? And you were talking to yourself?
Yeah, that's not true. Zara was with me.
Again, man, who is Zara?
She's my girlfriend.
Are you real?
What?
I need to know.
You know I'll love you no matter what, right?
Do you? I don't even know that you exist.
You don't remember our high school years?
What do you mean?
I can't believe you forgot.
I put in all this work for you, and all you do is lie to me. This is what you get.
Jacob, are you okay?
Yeah, you can come out.
What am I helping with?
Get rid of it all.
I miss you, Zara. It's gonna be okay.